I'm sitting here thinking, I can't think of a single reason why a garage or a mechanic wouldn't have a quality set of screwdrivers. Now, I've showed y'all plenty here on the channel, and I like to give you options, and that's what I'm going to do here today. I'm going to show you the Vessel armor grip screwdrivers. I'm going to look into seeing if these things are even worth buying. I mean, they're a nice screwdriver, and they're for a pretty good price. So why not? Y'all hang in there with me. Let's take a look at these things. A little note on this video. So I recorded it and then did some research afterwards, which I should have done beforehand, but here we are. These are JIS drive screwdrivers. They look very similar to Phillips heads. So every time I say Phillip, it's JIS drive. And I mean, it says it on the box, but when I looked at it, so enjoy the rest of the videos. I hope you enjoy it. Just ignore some of the stuff when I keep calling it a Phillips. Thanks. So for the most part, I really like Vessel stuff. I haven't bought a single thing from Vessel that I didn't like. And so far, these are pretty nice. So the grip, it's got a nice texture to it. It's a little grippy, but it isn't sticky. Does that make sense? I don't know. But anyway, the finish on it, very nice. You know, it's got like a satin finish, but maybe a little darker than normal. The tips are well machined. It looks real good. Let's look at number 2, because that's what you're going to use most often. In these screwdriver kits, I really only focus on getting Phillips heads. Flathead screwdrivers, I have a few around. I have some quality. If you're going to be messing with flathead screws, well, you need a quality screwdriver. Don't be picking up just whatever. It needs to be pretty nice and fit well. But flathead screwdrivers, the whole design, it just isn't great. But Phillips, it's going to be around a while. So you might as well make sure you got a good Phillips head screwdriver. So these, the number 2, it looks real good. Same thing with the handle. All of these, the handles are increasingly smaller. So that might be something you want to look into. But a lot of screwdrivers are like that. The new set of PB Swiss I've got over there is like that. And these are no different. But they feel good in the hand. So we're going to test them out here in just a second. See how easy they come out. So here we are on this screw. It's something I put into this wood to test out other things like screw removal pliers, stuff like that. But we're going to see how easy it is to make this cam out. The screw is still in pretty good shape. I'll give you a shot of it here in just a second. But I'm going to put it in here and see if it cams out with me just normally. No, I couldn't get it to cam out like that. Let's see. I'm trying to do it without putting pressure on the end, which you probably would, but you know, the goal is to see if this will cam out. No, it just keeps pushing it further in. So, yeah, y'all want to see what this screw looks like? Hold on, let me show you. There you go, still pretty good shape inside. So, okay, now I want to compare the tips of these to the PB Swiss I just bought. And here I've got it right here. We're going to look at them and magnify them just a little bit. The whole goal here is to get it to focus on this. This one right here is going to be your PB Swiss. This one is going to be your Vessel. They look very similar. The tip, the bottom of the tip is just slightly smaller on the PB Swiss. But other than that, they're both made very well. Let's look at this. Let's look at this armor grip by itself. Very nice. Let me wipe the shmew off of it. I probably did some damage to that screw. I'll eventually have to replace it. Look at the tip on this one. There's a little bit of damage done to the screwdriver tip. It may not be damage. I don't know if it's flaking of the electroplating or not. I think it is. I think these are little flakes of the electroplating coming off. What do y'all think about that? Y'all seen me. Y'all seen what I did with it. What do y'all think about that little bit of damage there? So remember, I did the same exact test with the PB Swiss. So let's look at it, if I can get it focused. There's a little bit of damage there. With everything being said, I think these present pretty good value. I'm not sure I'd be worried about that, but I will give you my opinion after I've had them for about 6 months. I like them. If I had to, I'd buy them again. Are there other more expensive brands out there or more expensive options? Yes. You've got your PB Swiss, got your Snap-on, and I was just looking at the Snap-on, and this poor tip is chewed up. So I imagine, unless it's poor quality steel, they probably all have a very similar effect. In the end, it's a good quality screwdriver. They stand behind their product. And the price, it's hard to beat. Hey, before I let you go, don't let me forget, I finally have a shop where you can go and you can buy my merchandise. Hats are featured, and I've got 2 shirts featured. One's a little flashier than the other. I really like how they come out. I'm actually going to order samples so I can wear it and show you. But if y'all wouldn't mind, check that out. And I tried to make them pretty fairly priced. I think they're pretty close. But y'all check them out. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all take care of each other. Have a blessed week.